Thank you, Jacek. Hello, everybody. I am very excited to be here today and share the first-hand results after testing Teradata Vantage platform at Verizon. We were lucky to have the first Teradata Vantage installation in the world. I know, we were really excited too. We like to be the first, so we are first in the world to roll out first 5G. And as we heard from Tony Scott on Monday, it's going to be a life changer for every one of us. So together with 98% coverage of LTE technology, we are really striving to serve with the best quality network our 116 million connections. So all the data, all the calls, text messages, data connections that we upload, share with our friends are accepted and have a backup of our network. So now, looking at that last number, that 0.97% churn, which is really the measure for every wireless provider, and that's how we are measured, and that's what we report to the Wall Street. It's very innocent, small number. But let me tell you, there is lots of things happening in the background of that number. There is an amazing advanced analytics, data science, predictive modeling platform that is supported by the team of mathematicians, statisticians, engineers that is helping our business making all that magic happen. So what we do in the background is we use the high-quality data, the reconciled stamped data, that we apply machine learning and AI on it to predict and anticipate our customer needs, to delight them, to make that conversation matter with our customers. So that 0.97% number was last quarter number, but actually here you see 5 years trend. So this is a trend result for wireless providers in the United States. And as you can tell, Verizon is the lowest one. So we are technology leaders in churn numbers. Okay, we got churn, we are there, we got taken care of. What about acquisition? We want to be the best. We want to acquire our customers, to increase our market share, and that is where we wanted to try new Teradata Vantage technology. We sat down with the team. I am modeler myself, did hundreds of models in a decade and a half of doing machine learning, from supervised, unsupervised, text analytics, recommendation system. I've seen it and tried it all. So here, the task was, we had third-party demographic data. And all the information they gather about us is like occupation, cars, hobbies, music, heterogeneous data set, about 600 and plus variables, from numeric to character data set. So I wanted to use that data to create acquisition models. And I set 4 goals for this test. So the first goal was that data stays in enterprise data warehouse on our Teradata. Data is not supposed to go anywhere. So we wanted to create the models, we wanted to score the base, and everything happening right there on that platform. The second goal was I was looking for accuracy of the model. So with minimal data engineering, I didn't want too much of data tuning or derived variable addition. I just wanted that we feed the data, and let's see what we get as accuracy. So wanted 64 or better. Why 64? Because we know this data. We have used it before, and I know what we can expect from this data set. The third goal was to, for timing of the model, I wanted to train the model on 1 million records and to be less than 20 minutes. So I am very well aware when you feed 1 million records of 600 plus variables, very complex variables, it takes lots of time. I'm pretty sure if there are data scientists among you, you know what that means. Sometimes it takes hours, sometimes you live in overnight, hoping tomorrow morning the data will come back, and sometimes nothing happens. So very ambitious goal. And the last goal was that I want to score the base, and I want to score more than 200 million records. Remember, this was acquisition model, and in the United States, we have about 252 million consumers. So I wanted to be able to score everybody and produce propensity score, how likely you are to be Verizon customer for less than 30 minutes, 30. Okay, with that, team rolled up the sleeves and start working on the challenge, and only SQL used. SQL for data training, for model training, just creating tables as we normally do on Teradata, create a table for testing data set, doing random forest, machine learning, simply select star from random forest, not the pages of code, one command, where you supply your input tables and just run the algorithm, and one more command to score everybody. So with that, the results start coming back. So those 4 goals, the first one, avoid data movement, was met. Once the data was installed, machine was preset, nothing else happened on that machine. Second goal, 64% accuracy, actually was exceeded. It went up to 69.8. And it was easy, really easy. So basically, the only thing that happened is that for zip codes that we have 50,000 in United States, we just modified that so it really shows geography, regions, and that was the only thing done. Pretty much another formatting of a character to numeric, pretty basic stuff. And the accuracy was 69.8. So I was pretty pleased with that, I have to say. The third goal, model training of 1 million records, 20 minutes or less. And the results came back. And it was 12 minutes, 25 seconds. And I've done this for a long time. I really haven't seen these results ever. And that really what excited me and wowed me the most. And finally, the last measure of scoring 250 million, more than 200 in less than 30 minutes, it came back with 22.5 minutes. Yes, absolutely amazing. So think about this. Now, if I put together model training, 12 minutes, 25 seconds, let's say 13 minutes, and 22 minutes to score the whole United States, within 35 minutes, less than 40 minutes, I can turn around and make it refreshed, make it scored, make it all happen. I can then use that score and deploy within organization. The scores are right there in Enterprise Data Warehouse, where everybody has access to, and deploy through all touch points and all departments. It's just showing the power of the speed of the platform, of making it happen with organization with the size of Verizon. We are at the stage where we can get the user request, our business stakeholders, and from end to end, responding to all these wireless changes on the market. Is it a new device? Is it a new pricing plan? We can turn around that request for less than an hour. And that's really amazing and really promising for us. So what is next? We have a huge production environment where we have models that are running around the clock. They are deeply integrated with all the business processes. The production is constantly monitored, validated. All the models are checked, making sure they performed as designed. We refresh them. We retire them when they are no longer needed. And with this technology, will just make us very agile, very responsive. We want to be best in serving our customers as well as we are serving as our network quality is. So by utilizing Teradata Vantage, this is now really within reach, and that is why I'm here to share this amazing success story. Thank you very much, Teradata. Thank you.